up. I know y'all been trying to order 26 King Wavy products like pomade, shampoos, moisturizers, and oils and stuff like that. Yeah, 26 King Wavy, he been selling out pretty quickly. So that's why I be telling y'all, man, use my discount code and try to get your hair care products ASAP. My discount code is Juice15. Use it to get 15% off and do it as fast as possible. You have to do it ASAP because you're gonna sell out like that. With that being said, man, go check out the website, man. They know that I'm never lagging. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Yo, them junks look like noodles, yo. Y'all can't tell me them junks don't look like noodles. I always wondered, would I ever get my junks blonde? I don't think so. I think red, burgundy is the most I'll do. I don't do no bright colors like that, but look at them noodles falling off. Honestly, man, red isn't a bad color, man. Like, I honestly think red makes your waist pop out even more. But he going a darker red. We're gonna see how this turn out. Yo, that doesn't look tough, man. It pops your waves out better than a blonde color would. That's why I like red. If I was down my hair, I'll go. Yo, is anybody else's barber swimming like this? Or is it just me? I don't know. I think it's just, it clutch you. Why you gotta do him like that, man? I think it's just me. Hey, man, y'all wondering what happened to my haircut? You know, what happened? Like, how did I come back like that? Y'all go question Clutcher. I don't know what he did. I don't know what he did. I'm gonna have his Instagram. I'm gonna have his TikTok down below. Y'all go check him out. I'm gonna tag him. Y'all go ask him that question, not me. Dang, man, y'all keep tagging me in this, man. Got like 1,000 people tagging me. Let me see. Whoa, snap. Hold up. So the caption says to rate the waves. Alright, so first off, think that's a cotton do-rag. I don't look like no silky polyester. What kind of do-rag is that, man? But yeah, let's get to this right, man. I don't want to see no forks. You better be wolfing. I don't want to see no low cuts. Damn, man, why you so slow? It looks decent so far, but that junk look low though. You don't look like you wolfing. I'm gonna wait till you take the do-rag off so I can really see. So I can see everything. Oh, they decent, alright. Dang, it's just taking mad long. You got one foot right there looking at me in the eye right there. You see it right there. You got a foot right there. And I wish you had more hair. I'll get us an 8. 8, man. What? Y'all don't know who that is. I know who that is. Wave Poppy. What till you take that rag off, man? Y'all gonna see. What I tell you? What I tell you, man? Yo. Sir. Hold up. This Clutcher right here, what he about to do? He about to finesse. Oh my G's. Yo. That's fire. The waves swimming too, man. I ain't gonna lie though. The waves in there. Yo, I always wondered how my man's kept his trees. Y'all hear something? What the heck? What my man sound like the Hulk? Hold on. Let me stop playing. Yeah, man, I always wondered how he kept his junks laid, man. Who voice sound deeper? Mine sound deeper, right? Yo. He really got the Nike, how you call them, Nike headbands, bro, to lay his hair down. That's smart. I ain't even think of that. I thought he just cut the do-rag up and just wrap it around. You feel me? Well, now I know. Oh yeah. Wave check, I'm back at it. Need to work on that crown, bro. Work on making it like more circular. Yo, TikTok getting tired of us, man. They came from curls to waves in 60 seconds and not giving they dogs waves, man. Fellas, the dogs taking over, man. They taking over. Look at that. Great lather from the start, from the jump. Alright. Yo, brush that joint back. What type of brush is that? Oh, that ain't no brush. That's little scrubby things. I see the waves coming in already. Fellas, we better watch out because the dog's taking over, man. They definitely taking over. Yo. And they don't be silky too, bruh. Great lather. I'm loving everything about this because I see the waves And I see super great lather. Now I'm trying to see how they gonna put the do-rag on. Ooh, that's silky, bruh. That's crazy. Yo, when I have a daughter, her hair gonna be healthy, clean, super curly, all of that. And if I have a son, yo, his wave's gonna be swimming, boy. It's just gonna be spinning. I mean, if he wants to grow his hair out too, you know, his curls gonna be dope. You feel me? But yo, your video I do edit, bro, that junk went viral, bro. That junk went viral, and you spinning. Ropes, man. You got a wolf though, man. Got a wolf. Hey, man. This gotta be reversed or something. Cause ain't no way your hair could lay down that quick. You feel me? Either your hair is super trained or it's in reverse. I don't believe it. Sly Huncho. Yo, if y'all trying to have a wolf battle with my man Sly Huncho, I bet you gonna lose. I bet you gonna lose. This man be wolfing for like 50 weeks straight, man. I can't even maintain a 2 weeks wolf. I don't know how he does it, but he always got good lather. You feel me? I don't even gotta say nothing. Lather on point. Yo, do y'all see what type of level he on with the lather? Like, if you ask him, he'll tell you how important lather is. He dancing and enjoying. That's legit. I'm just waiting for the unrag because I done seen everything. I don't even gotta say nothing else. You see how silky his hair looks because of the lather. Good job, my boy. This dude said he got the best waves on TikTok. Alright, I'm about to go full force, bro. I better not see no forks in there. And you better be wolfing too. I don't want to see no 1.5 cut. What are you doing? And you took the whole video to unwrap. Hey man, y'all know me. I stretch lather like a lot. The reason I do that is because I know how important it is. Alright, lather is very important to laying your hair down, your wolf down at that. And it helps you become elite a lot quicker than you should have. Alright, so it's very important. Yo, back with the part 2 of the reaction I just did. That does not look like a 2 month wolf, alright? Looks like a 5 week, 6 weeks, alright? Second off, the key to the washing style is definitely the lather. That's how you lay your hair down, that's how you progress, and that's how you get your connections to get right, you feel me? I see no lather, your hair is not back into place to where it's supposed to be. It's not laid at all. And you don't rinse the shampoo out with the velvet do-rag on. Hopefully that was after you rinse it out. And the color looks fire. The waves need a lot more work, alright? They stay in there though. They need. Yo, by the way the curls looking, they look like they're gonna end up being some nice looking waves. But I got a question though. Why you can't wash your own hair? Or maybe you just don't know what you're doing. But I feel you. Alright, get that. Make sure you get a good lather. If I don't see a good lather, bruh, where's the lather? Cut that front part with scissors. Some scissors. Don't say no part 2 because you know I don't like that. I don't like part 2s. But let me see that wave check. Oh! Y'all remember when I did this video, I said which wavers have coarse hair? I'm gonna let y'all know right now. So number 1, that's Poppy Blasted, coarse hair wave. He a real coarse hair waver. Number 3, that's coarse as well. Number 2 is medium. Number 4 is straight. Alright. Oh, they flipped the script, giving big bro waves, not little bro. Alright, so big bro, you letting your little bro give you waves. I'm not gonna say that's a shame, but yeah, let's get it. Apply shampoo. Great lather. Great lather. Hopefully when you brush it in, it stays in there. There you go. You should apply some water so the lather. That's tough. That's tough. Yo, that's nice. Alright, keep that up. Now what you need to do. Oh! Little bro know what he doing, big bro. Rinse out the shampoo. Oh yeah, that's fire. That's tough. You got that. That's tough. That's tough, man. He just need to cut the front part, give himself a shape up. Crown nice and everything. He ain't got none, no cap. No cap. Show him, bro. Show him. Woo, my boy wolfing. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, how long you wolfing for, bro? You got a couple of forks that you got to break, but I like the fact that you know what. Yo, all my beginners, quick tip. When you get a drop fade like he's getting right here, you're going to lose progress in the back and the sides. The sides are the hardest to get. So before you get a drop fade, just know that you're sacrificing your side waves and the back waves. Alright? I definitely wouldn't advise a beginner to get a drop fade though. Up to you.
Oh, he over here talking about he only got one do-rag. He ain't got no flavor. I got flavors. Y'all not ready for this, hold up. Y'all not ready for this, hold up. Y'all not ready for this, hold up. Hold up. Flavors, you feel me? Flavors, you feel me? Hold up, wave check. Flavors, you feel me? Flavors, you feel me? So I work for this. I grind for this. And I don't. Wow, you see that? I work for this. Oh God.
Hey, you got the wrong do rag on, man. Get the 2-6 King Wavy. Woo! Okay. That junk's silky.